there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. I bet you thought I'd forgotten about my July craft box. Well, I haven't. So, I know we didn't have one in June because we had the paper shares and the ribbon shares, but we're kind of over that now. So, July craft box. I have hinted at this one already, but the July box is based on the best route. And I'm sorry about the lighting. Yet again, I'm filming at a time of day where there's sun coming from that way. And I'm doing my best to avoid, let's see, can I may be able to make it a little better. There we are. So, best route. First things first, as ever, the craft boxes are £20. They're UK only, and they're £20 delivered by second class Royal Mail. So, they come as a kit, and you can add bits to them if you wish, which could save you your £4.95 for postage from Stampin' Up. So, best route. I've picked best route because it's all about adventures and holidays, and because we're heading into the holiday season, I thought what better time than now to do best route. So, first of all, let's have a look at the 12 by 12 papers. These I accept are 6 by 6, but these are the papers in quarter sheet form. You will get 2 half sheets of each of these patterns. So basically, I'll take the 12 by 12 pack and cut it in half down the middle. The reason I do that is it then saves on postage, which means I can include the postage for free and still make sure you get over £20 worth of product. If I went for 12 by 12 boxes, the postage goes up significantly, which means you wouldn't get as much for your money. So, geotags, some of which have got little hearts, and then a nice blueberry bushel map on the back. Little arrows, and this is grey granite, a little grid in grey granite. It's Mango Melody and Pineapple Punch are the yellow and orange. So we've got a diagonal and then little bicycles on blueberry bushel. Aeroplanes and a grey map. Then a multicoloured map and blue dots. And then a different multicoloured map and blue triangles. So it doesn't just have to be for holidays. It would be great for masculine cards as well, which we don't have enough supplies, I think, for masculine cards, but this would be a good one. You will also get a half pack of the Memories and More cards, which are part of the suite. You get 2 sticker sheets, and the Memories and More packs now can be split exactly in half. So each pack gets 2 of these and 2 of these. So I'm able to send you both. So some nice little tags there. These are flag end tags, so they're cut in, as indeed are these, but that's a bit more obvious. So that's those. You then get, in the larger size, some cards. Whoops, always helpful if they're the right way up, really, isn't it? I mean, I'm not going to read all the words. You see, that would almost make a card of its own. I like that one. Doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have with you. So here and now, best day ever. Now this, which is a blueberry bushel diagonal, is actually embossed. So it's Whisper White on one side with deboss, and then this is embossed. So that's the large. And then the small, again, this is embossed, so Whisper White on one side and a grey map. Then this is just dots, but again, it's embossed. So highlights, life is good, aeroplanes, lots. Oops, that was 2, I think. Yep. So lots of really useful cards. Dream like nothing stands in the way. I like that. There's another one that I particularly like, and we may get to it. Should get to it, unless I've already missed it. Oh yes, Embrace the Detours. I really like that. Live in the Moment. So really nice little selection of cards, and as I say, that's a full, if you can have full, half pack. There's 56 cards in a full pack, so plus the stickers, so we're looking at 25, 26, 28 cards in there. Now, on the subject of cards, we now have the right size card and envelopes for Memories and More cards. So we've got the large size and the small size. The pack will have 2 of each size, so 2 large and 2 small. Apologies if you can hear whining off. It is a black cat. So 2 of each of those. You will get, now I have to do the maths on this, 50 enamel shapes. Now these rather unhelpfully come in strips of 5. So you'll get 2 of each colour in each of the designs. So some of you may get 2 lots of 1 strip, and some will get some will get just 2 strips stuck together. So that's the enamel shapes. The cardstock pack with this is Blueberry Bushel, Mango Melody and Granite Grey. You will get 2 sheets of each of those. You will also get 1 sheet of Standard Whisper White and 4 Standard Whisper White C6 envelopes. So the standard size envelope, you get 4 of those. You will also get 1 yard, and I do mean yard, not metre, 1 yard of the Blueberry Bushel mini grosgrain ribbon. And, oh yes, the pocket pages. So you will get 4 pocket pages. You will get a variety, but again, unhelpfully, there are 3 of most of the designs, but there's one of the just full page, and there's 2 of the half page. So you will get 1 of either the half page or the full page. I'm afraid you cannot request which you get, and then you'll get 2 of each of the, sorry, 1 of each of the other pages. So you'll get one that's 4 on a page, one that's a large and 2 small, and I think the other one is a small and 2 smalls and a large. Yes, it is. So one is 2 smalls and a large, and one is, yeah, a large and a small. So you will get that as well. So just to revisit all of that, you will get half a pack of Designer Series paper cut at 6 by 12. You'll get half a pack of the Memories and More cards, which includes 2 sticker sheets. You will get 2 each of the Memories and More note cards and envelopes, so 2 large, 2 small. You will get 2 sheets each of the Blueberry Bushel, Mango Melody and Grey Granite cardstock. 50 of the shapes, so that's a strip of each of the 2 strips of each of the design. 4 pocket pages, a yard of ribbon, 1 sheet of Whisper White and 6 Whisper White envelopes. And that little lot comes to just over £20, but you can order it by email. Drop me an email, let me have your address. I've had a number of people who have ordered paper shares and craft boxes who seem to think I can send them things without an address. So I do need your address. I will email you an invoice, which can be paid either by bank transfer, PayPal or cheque. There is a different deadline for cheque payment, but all of the information is over on my blog, which is linked immediately below. Then, what can you add? You can add the en route stamp set, and you can add the Maps etc. Dynamic Impressions embossing folder. I just need to unbury all of this because the prices are in the catalogue and I can't see the catalogue. So the en route clear mount set is £22. If you want it on wood block, it's £27, and I will send your parcel by Hermes because it will need to go small parcel. I will absorb the additional cost, but it's cheaper to go by Hermes than it is to go by Royal Mail as a small parcel. But that will fit in the box that I send. The dynamic texture impressions embossing folder, the maps, etc., is £8.25. Those are the 2 additions that you can add to your box. Thank you very much indeed. I hope that is interesting. I hope you'll enjoy it because, you know, holidays, I think it's going to be perfect, but it's also perfect for men's cards. So I hope it's got that jewel thing. Thank you very much indeed. Drop me an email if you wish to order this. The deadline for ordering, we are currently on the 10th of July. I will need to know within the next 2 weeks. I'll put the dates on my blog. I will need to know within the next 2 weeks so that I can get everything ordered, because I want to get these out either the back end of July or the very beginning of August, because with the paper shares I'm a little out of sync on where I'm doing things. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.